post with the most goes to Kirsten Granados. And she is exemplifying one of the best high converting post templates that I love to see on this platform. So here's the thing. If you're a fan of Gary Vee, you know the concept of jab, 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 punch, which is basically you're giving, and then you're going in for the conversion. You want to give about 70% of the time and ask about 30%, toggle up or down a little bit either way. But when you're ready to make the ask or to do a conversion, you want social proof to do so. And Kirsten is nailing it here. So what she does is just straight up says the number that her client has made in working with her. Remember, facts tell and stories sell. So by combining both of them in this template, she is giving like a 1-2 punch on a really effective strategy. The other thing she's doing, in addition to saying the number that they made, $27,000 per month, she's also eliminating any resistance or objections that somebody might have in their mind. So she's not just saying, look, they're killing it making $27,000 a month from TikTok. They're only spending 5 hours a month creating content. So she's giving the desired result and peeling away any friction around an objection. This is awesome. Now, the creme de la creme, the cherry on top of the cake, or really the cherry that first strikes your eye, is even if you didn't see her whole post, what you did see is this awesome text message screenshot where she's asking how August ended up and they're telling her how much money they made. So this isn't just her telling a story that is not corroborated by some kind of graphic that is supporting the post. It's very much a screenshot of that conversation with the client. And the other thing I love about, and if you follow this show, you know this, I love a graphic that takes up a lot of newsfeed real estate. Look at how much real estate this graphic takes up. It's not a rectangular one. It's really capturing a lot of newsfeed real estate here as you scroll down. So what to remember and what to take away from Kirsten's approach here. You want to definitely share your client's successes. Let your results do the talking for you. If you have a screenshot in communication with that client, whether it's an email or a text, put that there to get third-party credibility. Remember, facts tell, stories sell. Share the figure and share the story behind that figure. And if you can, if you really want to just chef's kiss it, remember to remove any objection that your audience might have while seeing the desired result. And in this case, she's talking about a limited amount of time for a big return. That's it. That's the post with the most. Use this and tag me when you do.